Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The CrystalPro series is a range of professional filtration systems designed to deliver high performance across various sectors, including oenology, brewing, and the food industry. Each unit is mounted on a bench frame, making it ideal for use in professional settings where reliability is a key factor. The filtration system of the CrystalPro series is equipped with a manometer, allowing precise monitoring of the filtration pressure. This pressure can be adjusted through a dedicated valve, enabling the process to be tailored according to the specific needs of the application. Additionally, the 2.5-liter collection tray simplifies the management of filtered liquids, while the plexiglass side panels protect the workspace from splashes, ensuring a clean and safe operation. The CrystalPro series stands out for its versatility, making it ideal for filtering wine, oil, vinegar, and beer, always ensuring impeccable quality. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.